my dollars make it hurt.
Hello guys, welcome back for the third part of this paper. 28 and 29 questions we are doing here in the third session. Using fields from both tables, you're going to produce some address labels which contains only those records. Okay, see, they want the details into the this label from both the tables and based on few conditions as well. So in that case we have to create a query for it. Okay, first we'll create the query, get all the details as a base for this label, then we will create a label. Now let's go here, create query design, both tables. Let's take close. Now what are the fields we need here? Title, first name. Here this all will pick. Okay, this all we're going to pick. Title, first name, last name, address 1. Title, first name, last name and address 1. Then town, postcode, town, postcode, member date and tin something. Okay, these are the ones they want, and few conditions are as well there. The membership type is adult or family. Okay, if you see the let's run this query and check. Question 28. Now just let me run this. Member type, it's member type, right? Membership type we didn't take it all over here. Let me take that also. Membership type, here is the membership type. Save and run. See there, junior, adult, senior, family, something. These are the details in this. Fine, you see this details. Okay, from these what they want only adult or family, only these two. Okay, only these two they want. They don't want all people, juniors and all seniors. Okay, now come over here. So adult or what's the other one? Family. Adult or family. Type in a proper spelling, then press enter. Okay, now save it and run. See there, in this we get only two details of two, family and adult. Okay, save, and now let's go to the question, check more conditions. The membership date is before 2015. Before means small date. Fine, so go to design. Before means small, less than 2015 it should be. Okay, save and run. Date is there. Is it the date? I'll delete this. Save and run. Oh, there is a date. Okay, there is a date. Now let's type in 31st, like before 2015. Fine means what we can type 01/01 2015, like 01 Jan 2015. Less than that. Less than 01 hyphen Jan hyphen 2015. just 15. See there how its format changed. Save and run. Before 2015, yeah, say till 14 December, 31st December we got, right? Okay, fine. 3 or more tin ingots have been ordered. 3 or more. 3 or more. Here, 3 or more. So more than or equal to 3. Save and run. Yeah, further records reduced only this much. Okay, I guess this is the final one. As are sorted into ascending order of last name. Ascending order of last name. Ascending order of last name. Here, ascending order means A to Z, right? Sorry, A to Z. Last name C. B, J, P, R, S, W. Okay, next. Okay, this is all done. Now we will start the label. Fine. So they want 2 columns across and down 4 rows. Fine. This is the database for the coming up label. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So only there are going to be 7 records, 7 labels. Right? Okay. Just close this. Now create labels. Next. Sorry, one more thing what you have to do, you have to select this and keep the one what is just now what we created the base data for the label. Select that and keep. Okay, always select it, because there we can't pick, we don't have any option to select any query or a table like that in the label. Okay, here itself we have to select. Fine, select and go to create label. See, 2 columns across. Next, this we are not going to do anything. Now see, this is coming from there. Look at that. Oh, member type is also coming. Okay, will not pick anywhere. Fine, will not pick. Okay, fine. What we need further, we'll delete it for, no, we'll pick only these ones. Okay, and in this fashion, positions, title, first name, last name. Here I'll type title. Okay, pick title, give a space, first underscore name. Just I'll give 1 space and colon and 1 space and just double click this, give 2 spaces. Now last name, last underscore name, give a space, colon, and now double click the last name. Okay, this is done. Now come to the next line, because it's given like this over here. Look at this. Address 1. So just I will type in address 1 like this. Or 2 spaces and what? Okay, now just double click address 1. Next line. Town. Here is a town. Town. And in the same line we have what? Postcode. Post underscore code. Then give a space, colon, double click postcode. Come to the next line. Member date. Okay, member underscore date. Give just give 1 space and colon. Then double click this. Next, last is 10. Give a space, colon, give a space and 10. That's it. Okay, this is same fashion. Right. Next, now sort by how, in this order: title, first name, last name, address, town, postcode, number, date, and this one. Okay. Next, are we going to give any title for it? Include a center aligned heading, a larger font size, and bold at the top of each label. See, VIP invitation is the label. VIP invitation. Okay, let's see. VIP, here it is. VIP invitation. Invitation after the something is also there. What is that? Next, let me remark. Modify the label design. Spaces. Okay, space. Now here we will not give. We'll give later as well. Okay. For this, we'll just say we'll give here to save it. Q28 label. I'll just give like this. For now, in design will changed because I gave a space, so that is giving me error. Okay, we can adjust them, all of these properly. And here I'm going to just give the label here, from here to here, and what we have to type in: VIP invitation. Okay, then bottom are details. Okay, just write all your details. Okay, and the center align as well. Just go home. Here we have the center align and a big size also it is set. Okay, I can make it bold. Okay, I can just select another any different font as well. Okay, and these also, just what I'll do, just I'll make it a bit highlighted, this one, and I'll make it center and bold. Okay, and before that, what I'm going to do is here, just further down here, just I'll separate them like this, or else I'll keep it as it is. Okay, let me just keep it as it is. Here you see it's very long. Save the work. Fine, just let me just view in layout. See, layout gives a single row. Now we're getting in single. Print preview. Okay, no problem. We have to do a little bit adjustment on a single two page, just single page. It's gone aside. Okay, just no, we have to adjust that one. Sorry, design here. Just keep it here like this. Okay, save, preview, print. Okay, is it fine right now? Better. right? Close. Here till here till here. Three details they brought here. What the hell? So that it's not fitting. It's going. Save. Okay, Papa. Here are all the details we got. Look at this. We have only 7, right? 7 records, so that it's showing like this. Right? We got a perfect one. Close. If you want, you can adjust as well further. No, you can adjust that. You can adjust, like you can make it bit up. This one, so, or you can just give a space in between report view. See there. Okay, now close. What else we have to do? Save and print your labels. Okay, make sure that you have the center number and all. Yes, we got everything. Heading in the center align, large font, bold, and at the top of each label. Fine, this everything done. Label part is done. Now one last part is left. Ask the following questions in your own words and record your answers in your evidence document. The customer's table contains a primary key, right? Explain why the last name field would not be appropriate as a primary key. Yeah, I told you already what is the specification or privilege of a primary key. So let's see what is the last name and what it contains. This is the last name. So if you see last name, names could be repeated. Yes, even in a college classroom, or also the names of two students could be repeated. So if you have a repeated values, it can never be a primary key. And sometimes we may not write or type in the last name. Okay, maybe it's a spelling mistake, or later we think we'll type in no, somebody can have even the initials as well as the last name. So in that case, it's very difficult to find the details of that record using that value if we set last name to be primary key. Fine. So these are the reasons we can give. And when adding data to a field in the customers table, it would be easier for a user to select data from a list. Yeah, that's true. Identify another advantage of selecting data from a list. Errors we can avoid, and we can avoid a lot of confusion as well, what to type in. Yes. Yeah. Identify two fields that would be most suitable for setting up as a list selection. Okay, we'll select few. We'll see in which table they're talking about. Customer table. Okay, what could be where we can set? See, the P type we can set as a list, like a combo. They mean, and even member type you can set as a list. Yes, member type, junior, faculty, or adult, something like that. Yes, done. So this all we are gonna just enter in the evidence. Fine. Now let's go to the evidence. What is the evidence 9? Yeah, answer over here waiting for us. So last name, sorry, number 1, last name, last underscore name field could have repeated, could have same names or initials so that it is not recommended to be primary key, since a primary key contains all unique values and no empty cells. How many points we are supposed to write? 1 mark only. Okay, this is enough. And this one, second one now. Identify another advantage of selecting data from a list. Next one. Sorry, here. What could be one? Error. My internet connection is loose. Error-free data entry. 2. Reduces confusion of data entry. Now here was the last one. 2 fields, right? One we thought which one? Okay, let's see in this. One is the pay type, right? Pay type, pay underscore type could be could have the list type, and the second one, member type something, right? Member type, mem_p underscore type. Okay, save the work. Ninth is fully done. Oh yeah, everything is done. Okay, thank you. This is the third part of 2018 October. That's winter paper. Okay, MS Access. Thank you.